Hi, seniors. I am going to tell you about your personal timeline project that you need to complete by January 29th to pass the first marking period. Some of you are familiar with this project already, but if not, I'm going to review it here. So you're going to be creating a timeline. From the time you were born, you have been part of a timeline. You may not think that the events and actions in your life are important, but they are. Please look back over the course of your life. Remember, you are the hero of your own life story. In this activity, you will develop a timeline of your life. This timeline will include important personal events that have happened to you during your life. So you're going to think about 10 important events, 10 important people or places that you've been that influenced who you are today. Okay, and you're going to add them to your timeline. Then you're going to explain the significance of those events. So, for example, in 2007, I moved to Buffalo. It was winter. I had never seen snow before. I didn't know any English when I started school. As a result, this experience gave me the courage to go to new places and try new things. So you're using this language for cause and effect. From this choice box, please choose one of these terms for each of the events that you are going to write about. So because, for this reason, since, due to, owing to, or you can use therefore, as a result, consequently, thus, or this led to. And then lastly, you're going to add pictures that illustrate the event. Okay, so down below here, you will find two examples. If you click on here, it's going to give you an example of one of your classmates. Okay, so look through that if you'd like. You see here, she's talked about going to school and being bullied for being different, how she became, how she pushed herself to prove a point, that she always wanted to be the best after being ridiculed or bullied for being different in her new school. You will also find your own Padlet. So, Bushiri, Khalil, Amjad, Josephina, Junu, Etu, Rashida,
Which phone number for Dan Shanahan?
Or Rashma. And then you'll see your rubric. You do not have to submit your project because we will check the timeline from the Padlet application, but you do need to send us an email, Mr. Johnson or me, Ms. Miola Shanahan, and let us know that you are finished. So this is important because we're going to be using this information for your college essay, which is your next big project for Q2, and will help you have that piece of polished writing for your college application. Also, this can be used for your portfolio presentation that is going to be required this year as well. So if you do this project, put some time into it, make it look beautiful, make it personal about yourself, make it important, things that are important to you. You should have a really nice piece to be able to showcase for both your portfolio and for your college essay. Okay, please keep in contact. Let us know if you have any questions. We are available all day, every day, between Monday and Friday, hours of 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. All right, seniors, take care.